Now, sometimes you might run into some problems where your AirTag 2 is not connecting to your iPhone or it's not working at all. Now, the main reasons why this ends up happening, as you saw before, usually is because of some internet connection problem or some Wi-Fi connection problem. So the big thing I'd recommend doing here for starters is just making sure that you are connected to some sort of Wi-Fi connection. So at the very top, your Wi-Fi connection, cell connection, making sure you're fully connected there. And you want to make sure you're logged into an iCloud account. So if you're ever running into any problems, make sure you're logged into an iCloud account. Make sure that's the case because sometimes that can probably be giving you some problems. Also, make sure you're updated to iOS 26. So go inside of your general settings of your iPhone, go inside of software update, and just go through and make sure you are fully up to date. If you have the ability of going and installing, iOS 26, that is the only way an AirTag 2 is going to kind of be supported. So make sure that's the case. That's another very big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about. If that's still not working, just try going through and try restarting your iPhone. So go through, restart your iPhone like this, and you can also go through and basically just try updating your iPhone via the computer or temporarily connecting your AirTag to another iPhone that's on that iCloud account that you have, and then you can see if that ends up working there too. Finally, if you ever want to see your AirTag, wherever your AirTag is located, you can just make your way over to the Find My application.